it doesn't actually cover it up, but it distracts. Today we're creating a mini faith journal as we prepare for the My Heart of Thanksgiving event. I've got a little flip through of my faith journal notebook, some peeks at past Traveler's Notebook junk journals, and I'm telling you how to get this mini printable for free, plus all the juicy details of this year's event. Here we go, y'all. Well, hello and welcome to Pink Paper Peppermints. My name is Melissa and I am so glad you're here today. We are preparing a little bit early for our 4th annual My Heart of Thanksgiving event that begins October 26th. And in case you're new, I wanted to tell you a little bit about it and show you some of my journals from the past 3 years. And I will link up the videos to those journals below if you'd like to see how they were put together. My Heart of Thanksgiving is a 4-week gratitude journaling event that began on Instagram in 2017, and I designed it to be just 4 prompts over 4 weeks to make it easier to participate during what is a pretty busy time of year for most of us. And we start at the end of October so that we're finished the week before Thanksgiving here in America. Each week, we all participate in the prompts together. My creative team and I share ideas and inspiration and videos, and then we all post our pages at the end of the week. And we have all made so many good friends during these events. This is a stack of all my journals from the last 3 years, which I just love. So I think that you will really enjoy it. And everyone who participates in all 4 weeks receives a free digital goodie bag at the end of the event. So this year we're starting a little bit early for a couple of reasons. The first one is that last year I heard from many of you that you didn't find out in time to participate. So I wanted to give you more time to sign up and share the event with your friends. And then the second reason is that we've had a pretty challenging year this year. I think you would agree. And if your family is like mine, you've seen the hand of the Lord taking care of you over and over again. So our theme this year is going to be related to that. And I wanted to give you a little pre-work assignment to begin just jotting down notes about how you see God taking care of you so that you'll have those memories already when we begin creating our gratitude journals in October. So when you sign up, and I will link below how to sign up, you will receive this little mini pre-work assignment in your email almost immediately. And it's just a little notebook so that you can start jotting down your memories. And I wanted to show you how I put mine together and give you some ideas. You don't want to go crazy on junk journaling this up because it's just for your notes. But I still wanted to show you how I put mine together. And after I said don't go crazy, you'll see that I did go a little crazy on mine. So I wanted to show you on these tabs, if you cut those sides off first, then fold it in half, it makes it a lot easier to snip off those little white parts on the side. And especially because they're mini tabs, they're a little tricky to cut out. So that's just a little tip on how to cut those out. Here's my book. I've cut all the pages and the cover out now, and the inside pages are, there's a solid pink and a solid neutral color, as well as a little notebook paper and ledger paper, and you can mix those all up, or you can just use one or the other if you like it better. You can see here I print mine double-sided and my printer didn't quite make it, so there's a little white strip on the edge of some of my pages. That's why I gave you the solid papers. If you want to just do solid on the back, then you won't have that white problem. But as you saw on there, I used some pom-pom trim to just cover those up, and I'll show you a couple other ways I covered those up. You also just get this little label with a verse on it that's going to be our verse for the event, and you can put that on the back of your book or on the front or on the cover. Just make a little pocket out of it. Lots of different ways you can use that. So here is my book as I've got it all prepared to take my notes, and I didn't show you the actual process of doing it because there wasn't anything really exciting that you haven't seen before, but I just wanted to show you, do a quick flip through and show you what it looks like on the inside. So I just did a little cover with that verse, and I just layered some fabric scraps and some a book page that had some ink on it and flour and that kind of thing. And I don't know if you can see how shiny that ink is. It's that Shimmer ink from Dylusions. I love that Shimmer ink, so pretty. So then what I did was anywhere there was that white, I just covered it up with some stitching or some trim or some washi tape. Here I cut the edge off of a vintage hanky and I sewed that on with some pom-pom trim. This tag is actually from my Sew Easy ephemera kit, which you see there. And I just tucked that in. I attached a flower and a sequin and one of the little tabs, and I've already started making notes there. And on the side there where I had that white edge, I just added some washi tape, which is also from that So Easy kit. And I've attached some pom-pom trim there, some more of that washi tape from the So Easy kit, which you see there. And I just printed that on clear sticker paper, and that makes it like washi. And then I typed some words from Psalm 91 on a painted piece of painted deli paper, and then I glued those to my tabs there. Here I've just attached some tulle with a zigzag stitch, again on the edge covering up that white. It doesn't actually cover it up, but it distracts. Let's say it distracts from the white edge. And some more pom-pom trim and vintage hanky and lace on the side there. And I tried not to go too crazy because, again, this is just for me to jot notes and write stories of things that the Lord has done to take care of us over this year. And so I didn't want it to go too crazy, although I probably did go more crazy than I intended to. And that's some of the fabric wrapped around from the front cover. I haven't decided if I want to glue that down or make a pocket or what yet, so I've just left it empty for right now, or not empty, but not attached for right now. In the back, I wanted to have a little envelope to tuck in some different things from, receipts or flyers or ticket stubs, things like that. Not that there have been a lot of ticket stubs in the last few months, but just different things that I thought I might want to include in my journal. So I used that envelope from the So Easy kit, and I just paper clipped it in because it's a little too wide to actually attach it in. And that's it. My book is ready for me to start taking notes. So I would love to have you join us. Go to the link that is either on my site, pinkpaperpeppermints.com, or I've got a direct link in the description of this video that will take you right to the sign up page. It's free to participate. So just go there, sign up, and you will get your first pre-work assignment in your email, and then just watch your email for all the details and you'll be able to participate with us. Thank you so much for joining me today. I so appreciate you being here, and I hope you have a week filled with peace and grace, and I'll see you next time here on Pink Paper Peppermints.